Today it's the 10th day I'm spending in Bali with Chloe. Now I'm gonna stay here for 50 more days. And during those 50 more days, I want to achieve one new thing per day. As today is a pretty sunny day, I just want to bring you with me and visit the Tegenungan Waterfall. Waiting for my driver right now. Goodbye. Yeah. It's okay. So, finally found a waterfall with my Ubud driver here. Hey, one entry please. One? Yeah. Thank you. I won ticket for Tegenungan Waterfall. So, the waterfall is over there. But we have to go this way. We're gonna go all along this way to reach it. And maybe, can you see the guy jumping out there? There is 168 steps to make it to the waterfall. We're going all down. We have the view on the waterfall here. Still going down. Waterfall still over there. Well, looks like I won't be able to dive. Look, this is the waterfall. That's so pretty. Don't worry, it's sexy. It is just totally cool. Now the question is, how can I just free jump in? Always carrying. Oh. Just 1 sec. It's okay.
Okay, keep it.
Okay. Trying to go on the other way now. So to see the waterfall from a bit closer. And this is completely crazy. Don't go there with only flip-flops. It's not a good idea. Don't do that. Oh my god. Not a good idea. Damn. I wanted to jump. This is a crazy view. I'm pretty sure that I've seen a video on YouTube of guys jumping from this exact spot. Apparently it's totally forbidden because it's super dangerous. But if you have a guide, and I don't have a guide, and I didn't see any guide here. Did you see the guy who jumped? I filmed him. I want to show him the footage. I asked him if he can teach me. He's a lifeguard and I want him to teach me where exactly I have to jump if I want to be safe, alright? So I hope with this guy, I hope he's gonna come here and teach me how to jump. Okay, so he's coming. I'm totally afraid about doing that. It's like 16 meters high, and so I hope he will tell me I can actually do it. So the guy teach me how to do, where exactly I have to go to jump. That is completely insane. What is saying? Okay. 1, 2, 3. So that was pretty cool. Thank you. What's your name?
Ellie.
Oh man, that was crazy cool. I've never done something like that before. I was fucking scared right until the moment when I jumped. The guy told me, so he's walking here, he's a lifeguard, okay? And so he told me usually it's not allowed for the tourists to do it, it's super dangerous. And it was the first time for me. And he said, well, you can do it if you want, I'm gonna show you. He said, you have to jump right into the ball, otherwise you're gonna break a leg. Apparently I did the perfect jump. I have no idea how. So, this is what happened. When I jumped over there, I was holding the GoPro in my hand, right? And the guy told me to be careful, but I didn't know why. And the thing is, I still have the GoPro, but this part of the GoPro, just this slot, just totally went away. So I just have this spot now. I am pretty upset about that. I mean, it was the thing I had to climb it everywhere, and I don't have it anymore now. But anyway, I lived an experience which was incredible, and I'm super glad I did it, even if I lost half of my GoPro. I can't imagine that it feels wonderful. I just jumped right over there. Now I'm having an Indonesian tea, and funny thing is, it's actually a tree house. So this is a place, there are the other tables, and I'm actually in the tree, which is pretty cool. So just summarize, I ate this specialty made out of pork, I totally forgot the name. I've seen the water temple, and so the view from the Lotus Cafe, and I jumped in this insane waterfall. It was like 20 meters high, and the highest I jumped before was maybe 1 meter, because I'm super afraid by jumping into the water. I think it's usually forbidden. I just begged the lifeguard to allow me to do it and to show me how exactly to jump and where exactly to jump. And now I'm just enjoying. The sun is setting around, and I'm in this quiet place in the tree. Just gonna drink the tea and call taxi and go back home. That was a perfect day, guys. I hope you enjoyed following me around Bali. See you guys.